Thank you everyone. Today I discuss about image formed by concave mirror. Before going to the construction, first you have to know what is a real image and what is virtual image. When reflected or refracted light meet actually, then the real image is formed and it is inverted image. But when the reflected or refracted rays of light appear to meet at a point, that means they do not meet at a point, but when they produce in backward direction, then they meet at a point. And then the virtual image is formed, and this virtual image is upright image. Now follow the procedure how we draw the image formed by the concave mirror. First you draw a straight line like that. Put your scale and draw a straight line, and then you put 3 points at 0, at 3 and at 6 like that. This is the point P, pole. This is the it is a focus, and it is center of curvature C. Now take a compass and put your compass at C and take a measurement up to P and draw a mirror like that. Draw a mirror like that. And since it is a concave mirror, so this outside surface will be opaque, and get it opaque, and it is your concave mirror. Now you put an object anywhere. Say I take it beyond C. If you put it in beyond C, then what will be? Then this is the object. Say your object is this. It is your object AB. A is the head of the object and B is the foot of the object. Every point on the object is a source of light. So point A, this is the source of light. We take 2 points from that thread. We take 2 light rays from A. One will be parallel to the principal axis. It is parallel to the principal axis. This is the incident ray. It is parallel to the principal axis. According to the reflection by the concave mirror, this parallel ray reflected through the focus. So you put your scale and it will reflect through the focus and through the focus. So it is a reflected ray. It is the reflected ray. So it is the incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis and gets reflected through the focus. Now take another light ray from A. What will be? And it is taken through the focus. The incident ray, it is taken through the focus. So you put your scale and draw this is the incident ray, another incident ray. When the light ray strikes the mirror, through the focus. Then after reflection, what happens? It reflected parallel to the principal axis. So it gets reflected through the principal axis. It gets reflected parallel to the. So now here it is the incident ray and it is the reflected ray. Now these two reflected ray, this is the first reflected ray and this is the second reflected ray. These two reflected ray meets at a point here, and this is the image of point A. So it take a dot. This is the image of A. Now draw a perpendicular on the principal axis from that point A dot, say it is, and it will be the image of object AB, and so it will be B dot, and it is a arrow sign, arrow-headed object. It was the arrow-headed object, so it will be the arrow-headed image. So A dot B dot is the image of AB. Now what type of image it is? The two reflected rays meet at a point to produce the image. So it is a real image. Must be, and it is the inverted image. This is the procedure how you draw the image formed by the concave mirror. If the position of the object changes, then the position of the image also changes, and also the characters of the image also get changes. Now how it will be changed? Here the table, follow the table. Position, size and nature of the image formed by concave mirror depends on the position of the object. Here, if the object is at infinite, then image is formed at focus and it will be highly diminished image, and it is a real and inverted image. If the object is placed at beyond C, that is the beyond C, here it is the object is placed at beyond C, then what happens? Then image is formed between F and C. You observe it, it is the F and C, and it will be diminished image, and it is the nature is the same, real and real, L is there, real and inverted. When the object is placed at C, then image is formed just at C, and that means here the object and image both are at the same point, and the size of the image is same as the object, and the nature of the image is here the real and inverted. Now the object is placed between C and F, then the image is formed beyond C, and then it is be magnified, and image is real and inverted. Now at F, object is at F, image is at infinite, and it is a highly magnified image and real and inverted. Now the last one, and it is very very important. When the image is when object is between focus and P means is the pole. That means when the object is placed within the focal length, then image is formed behind the mirror, behind the concave mirror. It is magnified, but it is not real. It is the virtual image, and it is the erect image. So in the last case, that means when the object is placed within the focal length, then concave mirror produce a virtual, magnified and erect image. Otherwise, in other cases, in all cases, it forms real and inverted image. So concave mirror can produce both type of image, real image and virtual image. And the another interesting objective is the position of the image and the position of the object are interchanged. Here at infinite, object is at infinite, image is at focus. This is. Now consider here, object is at focus, then image is at infinite, or vice versa. Interchange the position of the object and this. Now the second case, beyond C, the object, then the image is between focus and center of curvature. Now if you put the object in that place, that here between C and F, then where will be the image? Image will be beyond C. So the object position and image position are interchanged. Now it is the image formed by the concave mirror. Now in the next video I will discuss about the another procedure, that means how the another drawing can be done. Thank you.